This is my part 2 video here of the Southern Museum of Flight. And right here at the entrance is a Vietnam-era Huey helicopter. And it's the strangest location for a museum, because as you can see in the background are very simple, modest homes in what's essentially a very African-American community. It's about 2 blocks from the airport. And in the previous video I showed you the inside, or parts of the inside. And now let's just go have a look on the outside. But, I mean, to have one of those Blackbird spy planes, you know, on display is pretty amazing. But just follow me into the back. I think I saw, this is a weekday, it's February, it's not exactly peak tourist season here, but I saw 2 other people in the museum, and then there's just little old me here. So this is all pretty cool stuff. So let's see what these planes are. It's one of the cool things about coming down to the States is they've got, you know, the military history and aviation history is just so incredible, and there's just so many cool airplanes if you like airplanes. And what's this one here? I'm not seeing any name. Oh, here we go. There is a title here. It's called the F-86D Sabre Dog, the Banks jet. Let's have a look at that one. Pretty cool. And this one is the Blue Angels, which I believe was like a air show kind of plane. That's pretty awesome. And then look at this big guy up here. Let's read the sign. It's a F4 Phantom II. So let's just check out this huge plane. Man, is that a big jet fighter or what? And then this one here, it looks like it's seen better days. See how it's all strapped down so it doesn't blow away in the wind. Let's have a look. Don't know what kind of plane it is, but it's certainly cool looking. And then there's another look at the big Phantom plane. So this is the place to be when you come out to Montgomery, Alabama. But as I was saying earlier in this video, this is just in a very simple residential neighborhood in Montgomery here, which is actually one of the epicenters of black civil rights, is Montgomery here. And there you have it.